Hey, how y'all doing? Young Age in the building, Young Age Productions. You know, about to show y'all another Young Age DIY on how to make your own RGB color lights. This is going to be actually part 2. So today, you want to make sure you have your Scotch tape and you want to make sure you have a blade for sure. And these are the rolls that I use. You know, I got a whole bunch of different other colors. We got this color, you know, of course you see me use the green. It's already unraveled up pretty much. And then we got the blue and of course the awesome red. So today the color I want to use, because I never used it before, is yellow. So we're going to start from scratch and move that out the way. So how do I get this? I didn't show y'all how to make this. You know, I just wrapped it around a light and I expected y'all to know what to do, but this time I'm gonna show y'all how I measured it out, and it's a very tedious task, but it's worth it at the end of the day. You know, so what I did is let's go ahead and roll this out. Let's see, want to measure. I don't want to drop my tape on my blade. So I'm gonna put that on the edge. So we got to measure this out. Let's roll that out. How long do we want it? And sometimes you'll probably be on point. Sometimes you won't. And at the end of the day, I didn't bring no pen or no marker, so I'm just gonna eyeball it. It's gonna cut right. Cut it right there. And this cello paper is so thin, this blade eats right through it. But since this is just a little tutorial, we're going to be probably taking a few shortcuts. So, that's the length that I want it to be. So, let me get my lazy butt back in this chair. So what we're going to do is we're going to basically be like, damn, okay. He cut a nice little sheet of paper. So what I want to do is fold it. And y'all gonna have to excuse the little shakes. I be having mini seizures 24 hours a day. So I be having to deal with little shakes here and there. But hey, you still gotta get through it. So this is probably the hardest part, making the actual, you know, because sometimes this stuff just be sliding all over the place. So get my tape, make sure I tape the edges just so that corner stay right there, and then get another piece of tape. And I probably want to tape, let's see, let's go for, let's probably tape this edge right here. I'm actually kind of learning with y'all, but I forgot how I did it. So as you can see, this is hanging, so I want to get probably some more tape, and I want to make sure it's still even. And if I wasn't so jittery, it'd be a lot easier. I'm over here, I don't understand. That's the little part of the mini seizures I was telling y'all about. But we're gonna get past that. That's nothing. This is I really want to show y'all how I really get down with this. So let's go ahead and still get to work. It's a tedious process, but at the end of the day, if when you want some color lights, this is well worth it. So I kind of got that how I want it. So what I do again, I just fold it again. Y'all notice how I'm gonna just fold it, and it's just basically getting thicker. It's a nice tedious process, but at the end of the day, it's worth it. It's well worth it. I'm trying to be all neat. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Come on now. Work with me. Work with me. Don't fight me. See, I know it want to fight me. It want to fight me. But let's go ahead and smooth that out. And of course, see, it ain't got to be perfect either. As long as you just, you know, smooth it out. And then we want to take that as well. Take the edges as well. So it's smoothing out. Let's do this side first. Let's go ahead and something on this table that's just messing with me right now. Okay, so that's that. And this is just making the paper before I even throw it on the light. So that's another piece of tape. Trust me, it's gonna be worth it though. I love this. I love the color lighting. So let's go ahead and get another one. Let's give it a little pinch. And let's give it a nice little fold. So let's get another piece of tape. It don't even matter how big a tape is, as long as it just stay there where you want it to stay. So that's basically, I got that, and we want to do one more fold. I'm trying to be super neat with it. And you see how it's acting with me. So that's why, let's go ahead and fold that. Now that is perfect. That's perfect. It's good. It's coming together. You see what I'm saying? And nobody taught me this. I just learned it on my own, and it's gonna get even better. Trust me. Somebody probably gonna look at this video and be like, he could have did it way better than that. So let's go ahead and tape that to where that's gonna be all the way. And let's go ahead and bring this. So we want to tape this in. Now tape the end so I won't have no problems with just flip flopping. You know, when the flip flop. You know, I just don't want to flip flopping everywhere. So now what I want to do is I feel like I got it good. It's a good, but I want to tape this part as well to not open up. So I want to probably just do like one in the middle. And let's do two on the ends. Let's go ahead. It don't even matter where it's at, as long as it's just boom, it's there. And let's do one more on this end. I probably should have did it the other way on the table, the longer way. But ooh, see them little shakes? Them just happen out of nowhere too. So now, actually let me just I forgot I put it on the wrong end. So we back. I mean, this is gonna take a while, but at the end of the day, this is we went from that to now we got my yellow paper, you know, just like I had let's go ahead and show y'all the ones I had before. Let's go ahead and take that. Like how I had the blue one, you feel me, and how I had the red one. You see the red one already kind of got a curve to it because I've been using it a lot. But now we're going to use, let's put those to the side. Now we're going to use the yellow. So this is still starting from scratch, and what I do is just kind of make sure it's nice and level and flat, and I gotta make sure I get it to go under the light. That's probably the most difficult part, but when you get there, it's gonna be there, trust me. So the better your folds are, the better you'll probably be able to control this paper. And let's just push that through. Push that through. Push that through. And let's go ahead and push that through. So that's that. Now I kind of got it to where I want it to be. I'm happy. I'm actually happy. I got it around the light. Now this is the easy part. To get a piece of tape. And let's go ahead and do the middle first. I want to make sure it's covering the whole light. And voila. It's wrapped around. Now I got to do just 2 more pieces around the edge. Okay, let's get that. And how did I put it? I put probably this one over that one, so it's over that one. Bam. Got it. And another one at the end. Basically, let's see. I want to make sure this is over that one. And voila. Oh, them little shakes them little tremors be kicking my butt. They just come out of nowhere, you know. But as you can see, I'm a worker. I be trying to still get the job done. I don't care what problems I be having. It's no excuse. It's no excuse to not get the job done, you know. So I just want to probably put some in the middle as well so it can look real good. And now this is my first time doing a yellow light, and I think it's coming out pretty fine. Now voila, I got the white, I mean not the white light, but I got the yellow light. Now the tester is to see how it looks plugged up. Like I should have did last time. I already had it plugged up, but I didn't. So we gonna let's see, do I got some cord over there? Might have to get an extension cord. Okay, y'all bear with me. I'll be right back. Okay. Now we back at it. I should have, next time, part 3, I'm gonna have this light already plugged up. I just be doing, I don't know what I be doing. But bam, we got a nice yellow light. Now I'm gonna turn off these other lights to let you see how it looks in the dark. That's what I didn't do last time either. So let's go ahead and turn off light number 1, light number 2, and light number 3. Turn those off. And now we see how this light looks. A nice golden yellow light. It looks beautiful. Compared to just being a white light, a gold light, it looks good. You know, if you want to get on your Wizard of Oz, follow the yellow brick road, have some lighting in your music video, bam, here we go. This is setup right here. So we will go ahead and let's turn it off. And you can see, turn it back on. It looks good. So that is part 2 of the tutorial. Let's turn these lights back on. Let's see how I look with the lights. Okay, let's turn this one on. And let's turn this one back on. And as you can see, it's, you know, it works better in the dark, but as you can see, you have a nice, you can put this light above your head and have some nice yellow light in front of you, however. But this is how to make your own RGB color lights, you know. So y'all see me use different colors, and like I said, let's go ahead and take it off. Even though I don't want to, I just did all this work. But let's go ahead and take it off. And okay, it might be some little problems taking it off here and there. But yeah, let's go ahead and take that off. And go ahead and take that off. And that's it. Back to white. So as you can see, we got the blue. You know, last time I did the blue. And we had the last time I did the red, you know, and trust me, I could probably just since this is so, look at this, already ready to go over it. I ain't even got to tape it. You know, let's see how the red look in the dark. You know, let's turn off probably, let's go ahead and do this light right here. And see how that red look. You know, that red looks awesome, amazing. And this is, I love it. So this is Young Age Part 2 do-it-yourself video on how to make your own RGB color light. So leave a comment, like, share, leave a comment, and let me know what I can do to make these videos better, because I'm just basically trying to help y'all out getting lights that's for a good cheap price. Like I said, this light costs 30 bucks, and these rolls only $1. You know, you could probably find a blade and scotch tape anywhere. So at the end of the day, it's a nice production for it's a nice light for whatever production you want to do. So y'all stay tuned, enjoy your holidays, and we're gonna be moving and grooving. I always say that, moving and grooving. So stay tuned. Boom. Holla at y'all later. Let's turn these lights off. These lights kind of bright. There we go.